Hello everybody, today we will divide whole numbers by one-digit divisors, resulting in quotients and remainders. So that may sound a little complicated, but once you see it, I think you're going to say, this is easy. So let's look at this problem here. Jason has 14 trophies and 4 shelves. He wants to put the same number of trophies on each shelf. How many trophies will be on each shelf? And how many will be left over? So if we take a look, what we know is he has 14 trophies and he wants to put them on 4 shelves and he wants to put equal amounts. That's telling me we're dividing. So we could rewrite this problem or write an equation for this. 14 divided by 4. Now we need to think about, if we take 14 and put it into 4 groups, how many will be in each group? If I count by 4s, I go 4, 8, 12, 16. Now, I know 12 works. So that's 3 groups of 4. Okay? And we also know 3 times 4 is 12. So we're going to have 2 left over. Okay, another way to show that is if we put an equal amount in each shelf, we're going to have 3 stars in each shelf, and we have a remainder of 2. Another way we could have solved that was if I drew this out and drew 14, but I made it into groups of, or I put it into 4 groups, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I have 2 left over. So those are my remainders. So the answer to this is there's 3 on each shelf and there's 2 left over. Let's try some more. Now, the first problem here says 19 divided by 3s. So we need to think about how many 3s go into 19. I could skip count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21 would be too many. So we know it's 18, and if we count, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 3. And we also know that that's 18, so there's going to be 1 left over. So my answer is 6 with a remainder of 1. If I showed that in division here, I'd say 6 times 3 is 18. I would subtract and I have a remainder of 1. Another way to show this is if I have 19 and I put it into groups of 3, I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And now I have 1 left over, and that's 19. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 3. And I have my remainder of 1. Let's try another one. 14 divided by 8. So we need to think about how many 8s go into 14. If I skip count by 8, I know we have 8 and then 16. So 16 is too much. So that tells me we have 1 group of 8 here. And then if I subtract my 8 from 14, I have 6 left over, so that's a remainder of 6. I could also think of it this way. I have my 1 group of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then my remainder is going to be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, which is 6. This is my remainder. And we have one group of 8 here. So the answer is 1 with a remainder is 6. Let's try another one. I'm going to try to move this down a little bit. There we go. So we have 23 divided by 3. So we're going to put 23 into groups of 3. Again, I can skip count and see how many 3s fit into 23. Okay? So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So I just skip counted by 3s. 24 is not going to work. It's too great. So we know it's 21. And if we count, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 3. And that's going to be 21. So my remainder's going to be 2. Another way we could show that is if we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 3. And we have a remainder of 2. I'm going to show you one more. 34 divided by 7. So again, if we skip count by 7, we could find out how many 7s fit in 34, how many 7s there are in 34. So we have 7, 14, 21, 28. 28 plus 7 is 35. 35 is too big, so we know it's 28. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 7. And that's going to give us a remainder of 6. Like that. And if I want to calculate this or find this out by drawing a picture, I can make groups of 7 till I get to 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 7. And we have a remainder of 6. Now it's your turn to try it. Good luck.